Riggs Distributing is an independent distributor for Sub-Zero Wolf, Cove, and ASKO products. We have a location here in Burlingame. We also operate in Hawaii as well. We have 2 chefs full-time on staff, and so we always have activity and things going on in the showroom. But really, it's about customer education. This new FCI program, which is a Factory Certified Install program, we designed this program to better educate and teach our installers how to install the product. So we bring them in, we have a full setting of a vignette where the product can actually be installed. It's very comprehensive, very extensive, and after they go through the class, they either pass or fail. And so we're very selective on who is a Factory Certified Installer.
To have the installer go through our training program and our servicers as well ensures that they know the product, they know the updates, they know how it operates, we know how it's properly installed, and is up to date throughout the product's operation. Having the hands-on approach gives that installer and that servicer both a real application, not only during training, but also in the field. We believe that the hands-on is the right approach for our servicers and our installers to make sure they get taught properly.
If a consumer uses a Factory Certified Installer, they get additional warranty with the product. So it's really important that the product be installed correctly.
This is the only classroom that I know of throughout the United States, and it really shows that Riggs Distributing has stepped up and has truly done the right thing by its market. A classroom like this allows me to evaluate them firsthand and up close. Our FCI program is quite important to our customers and the product to make sure that the longevity and the operation is excellent throughout the customer's life.
Always remember that the installation is not only handling the Sub-Zero Wolf and Cove product, but as well as providing that customer service and customer support on the field.
Well, this special classroom enhances the service by making sure that the product is installed correctly. And so it's a real-life, real-time situation. They install refrigeration units, columns, panels, Wolf product, hoods, ranges, cooktops. So it really gives them a broad brush of how to install the product.